Everyone knows how creators turn passion into profit. In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your Patreon experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Patreon? Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, writers, and podcasters and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So to get started, you have just to click over here and write your email address and your password, and then you start with your first account or your first sign up. If you already have an account, you can go for login. You can choose Google as an option, and you have also Apple, Facebook also, or you can use email address. Once you click over continue, write your password, sorry. Then you click over continue, and then you'll find this page. But before that, you have to check if it's as a creator. In the home page, we have your Patreon is ready. Here is how to make it yours. Adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share here. First of all, you have to add a profile photo, describe your page, let people know who are you and what you will be using Patreon for. Then you have make your first public post, let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a bonus piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. Then we have publish your page. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. Tell people. Then we have tell people, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. So about describe your page, how you can do that? You can just click over here and you can just write here into video. Also in the view you add a short video to let people know more about who are you, what you create, and why you are on Patreon. Then we have your social, how people find you wherever you are. Connect your other accounts to show them on your page who will never post on your behalf. For example, we have your YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok. Then we have here make your first public post. About this one, you have just to type text, video, audio, image, link, poll, live stream also. So I will select text. So you can just add the title firstly, for example, selling products. And if you come back here, ask your members a question, for example, which shoes, basketball, you want to sell tomorrow. Feel free to ask in the comment. best comment, I will give him one free. It's just kind of encouraging or just attracting people. And there you have it. Then you click over upload image of some shows, and then you click over next. Then you have here who can access this post. This post will be visible to anyone who visits your Patreon. For example, here we have public, paid members only, or free members only. Then you have here set a release date, schedule your post or set it to have an earlier release date. Backdated posts won't be at the top of your page and will appear based on the dates you set. You have allow comments on this post. All members can comment on your public posts. You have notify members when this post goes live. So let's come back and let's go into collections. You have just to click over create collection and you add the title here, description, and then you click over create collection and you also select image if you want. Then let's move into the membership. Build your paid membership. Income you can count on. Earn acquiring come from your biggest fans. Then you have start with what you have. Offer something you are already excited to share with your fans, plus some added perks. Then you have grow your creative businesses. Get insights on your members. Create exclusive member only chats and more. Have a new tire. About this one, we have here some answers here with questions. For example, what benefits should I offer? Bonus content, behind the scenes content, access to a community chat. You have member only voting, early access. You have your titles of the pricing. How many titles should they have? What price should they choose? Then you click over done. You write your title name, your price here, and you describe the benefits and the exclusive content people can expect to get when they join. Then you have your title benefits. Let your members know what they can expect from this membership tier. Then we have your advanced tier settings. Ask members for a shipping address in the checkout. Limit the number of members who can join this tier also. And this is how it works. You can just get started as soon as possible. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you guys in the next video. And you have also, but before you have also to know more information about how it works with Patreon, you have here several information and the various things that you have to do, that you have to know, I mean. So see you in the next video.